This facility produces MDF boards through a fully automated industrial process, operating continuously at scale. Plantation-grown logs are delivered and automatically transferred into the production line without manual handling.
Debarking machines remove outer bark to ensure clean, consistent raw material for processing. Metal detection systems eliminate foreign objects to protect downstream machinery. Central control systems monitor material flow, motor loads, and process stability in real time. Logs are reduced into uniform wood chips by high-speed industrial chippers. Vibrating screens automatically separate chips by size to maintain process consistency. Oversized chips are recycled back into the system, ensuring efficient material utilization.
In Safford, wood chips are washed to remove dirt and mineral contaminants.
Pre-steaming softens the wood structure using controlled heat and pressure. Temperature and pressure are continuously adjusted through automated steam control.
Conditioned wood chips move directly into the fiber refining stage. Refiners convert wood chips into fine fibers using heat, pressure, and mechanical energy. Rotating refiner discs separate fibers with precise mechanical control.
Fibers are transported through pressurized pipelines at high speed.
Resin application systems prepare to coat fibers evenly and consistently. Adhesive resin is applied uniformly to each fiber in a controlled spray process.
Functional additives enhance moisture resistance and board performance. Digital systems continuously calculate resin ratios and fiber flow rates. Automatic adjustments maintain stable process conditions at all times.
Resin-coated fibers enter a flash drying system.
Hot air rapidly removes moisture while preserving wooden fiber quality.
Cyclone separators recover dry fibers efficiently from the airstream.
Fire prevention systems monitor and protect the drying process.
Moisture sensors confirm fibers have reached target specifications.
Dry fibers are conveyed smoothly toward mat formation. Fibers are evenly distributed to form a continuous mat.
The core layer provides structural strength and density. Surface layers improve smoothness and finishing quality.
Laser systems measure mat thickness across its entire width.
Automated controls correct thickness variations in real time. The mat is gently compressed to stabilize its shape. Pre-pressing prepares the wooden plate for hot pressing. Uniform density ensures consistent board performance. The mat enters the continuous hot press.
Heat and pressure increase gradually through multiple press zones.
The resin cures, bonding wooden fibers into a solid structure. Thickness is controlled automatically with high precision.
Pressure and temperature are continuously monitored in real time, ensuring optimal conditions throughout the pressing process.
A fully formed MDF board exits the press.
The treated lumber is superheated, releasing residual moisture as it moves along the conveyor before stabilizing for the next phase.
Boards are transferred to controlled cooling systems.
Forced air cooling reduces internal temperature evenly.
Internal stresses are balanced during cooling. Vision systems verify wooden board flatness and alignment.
Boards meeting specifications continue along the main line.
Non-conforming boards are automatically removed. Approved boards proceed to finishing operations.
Edge trimming removes excess material with high accuracy.
Boards are cut to precise final dimensions.
Finished boards are aligned for surface processing. These systems utilize wide belts to ensure both thickness calibration and a superior surface smoothness across the entire board.
The surface achieves a uniform, fine finish.
Thickness measurements confirm dimensional accuracy. Sanding pressure adjusts automatically for consistency.
As the boards pass under the inspection array, high-speed sensors analyze the surface. A green light confirms the board meets our strict quality standards.
Each board receives a unique code for full traceability.
Robotic systems stack boards efficiently onto pallets. Precise alignment ensures stable pallet formation.
Completed pallets move to the packaging area. Protective wrapping secures the product for transport.
Strapping systems reinforce pallet stability.
Production data is printed and labeled automatically.
Finished products are transferred into warehouse storage.
Autonomous vehicles seamlessly manage our internal logistics, optimizing the flow of materials throughout the warehouse.
Inventory systems track stock levels in real time.
By utilizing advanced digital interfaces, our team oversees the manufacturing process silently and effectively, ensuring peak performance.
Finished MDF boards display consistent quality and precision. Raw wood fibers are transformed into engineered panels. The production line operates continuously without interruption.
All systems function in synchronized automation.
The entire process is designed for efficiency and stability. Final inspections ensure compliance with quality standards. The factory maintains consistent output under full automation. This is modern MDF manufacturing, driven by precision engineering.